Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Microsoft Solitaire and casual games. We will begin by exploring the Microsoft Solitaire collection, a hub for many classic card and puzzle games. You will learn how to easily access and start playing your favorite titles, understanding the simple interface. This guide will help you navigate the game hub and begin your journey into hours of fun and engaging gameplay, making it easy to jump right in. Let's dive into the fundamentals of classic solitaire, often called Klondike. Your main goal is to move all 52 cards from the tableau to the 4 foundation piles, building them up from ace to king. You will learn how to strategically move cards between columns and uncover hidden ones. Mastering these basic moves is key to improving your game and achieving a winning score in many rounds. Beyond classic solitaire, the collection offers a rich variety of other engaging casual games. You can explore popular titles such as Freecell, Spider, and Mahjong, each with its own distinct rules and objectives. Many games feature daily challenges and special events, providing opportunities to earn exciting in-game rewards and keep your gameplay fresh and exciting every single day. To truly enhance your gaming experience, remember to utilize the helpful in-game features. Don't hesitate to use hints when you are stuck or the undo option to correct a misstep, as these tools can significantly improve your strategy. You can also personalize your games with dozens of different themes and card backs. Track your progress and celebrate your many achievements as you become a casual game master.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.